Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I do post music, but it looks like I won't be coming for like 6 years or something. I'm joking, just I don't even know. So I decided, why not also do, you know, post other videos that I like watching. I like watching a lot of beauty, so I was like, cool, let me just create one. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. So this video is gonna be about me doing makeup for the first time, like fully beat. So if I look, don't be surprised. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I've got. I literally don't have everything. I've just been here watching videos like what to do step by step. It's probably not right, but like I said, we're just gonna freestyle. Before we start the video, of course, let's drink water because water is healthy. Cringe. So I'm just gonna start off by oiling my scalp. If you guys don't know, I do hair, so I'm just gonna attach my hair page there. Make sure you guys come for me. I'm a beginner, but I know I'm good at what I do. Blue Magic OG, that Blue Magic is it. So now the hair is hydrated and not dry. We're just gonna tie it so it's out of the way. So before I start, I'm just gonna make sure to remove any products on my face. Is this gonna open for me? So these are wipes I'm holding. Chai, I can't see. Found it. Found it. Found it. Okay, so these are the wipes. Proof that there was nothing on my face but mascara, and we can get started. Okay, so I don't really know what shade I'm in. All I know is I'm black. Okay, so I'm first gonna apply the serum. You can easily fry eggs on me right now. Try. Next thing I'm going to be doing is applying this foundation. Guys, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but it would be nice if you guys like tell me in the comments like what I can do to improve. I'm just doing whatever. So this is it. I think I got every part on my face. The next thing I'm going to be doing, honestly, I don't even know. I'm probably gonna do the concealer. I think you put it underneath your eye. What else? Yeah, I don't even know. Forehead, apparently middle of the nose, there. And let's do the work. So I'm going to place the powder underneath my eyes. I don't even know why. I'm just gonna do it because it feels like it's right. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I feel like it makes me look a bit glowy. As in, I'm shining in the sky. Chef kiss. Oh, okay, so bronzer is basically like contour. So I was right. I was right. BISILA's was right, come on. But mine is a bit too light because I didn't know what it was used for, so. Yeah, that's a bit too light. Let's do a bit, that is too light. But I don't even know if it's gonna impact this look. I can't be the only one whose like skin doesn't match with the rest of the body. Like my whole body has different skin shades. Like it's really weird. It's weird. I won't have blush, but I'm gonna use like this eyeshadow, the pink one, just to give myself like I've got some. Okay, what is even blush meant to be put? Like, is it number one error I'm doing? I'm using like the same sponge for everything. I literally got these two and I haven't even opened them. Don't do that, guys. Don't be like me. Am I a bit too close for you? Don't be scared. I won't bite you. But yeah, guys, like this YouTube channel, yeah, I'm still gonna be uploading music, God knows when, but I want to also use it for like stuff like this because I miss the fact I used to do YouTube. So if you guys think I'm a bit too natural, yes, I used to do YouTube for like 50 times. Okay, let me do my eyeshadow. My eyes are a bit naked right now, so let's give them a bit of oomph. You know, make myself stand out a bit. I feel like that's a bit too bright. That's a bit too stand out. But I'm using like the darkest of them all. Okay, the black one is dark, but the dark brown. Why did I go high pitch like that? That's a bit scary. So let's do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are very different. Oh, I'm just using like a normal black pencil. But yeah, my eyebrows are very even. Same with my ears. I don't have symmetrical face. I'm sorry. Guess I don't fit the beauty standard. I lied. I do fit the beauty standard, my standard. And just the thought of you makes me so high. Just the thought of you. Okay, but so I've also got a brown one. I want to do my lip. But first we need to find a sharpener because it's a bit too low. I'm gonna add Vaseline first. Okay. Then I'm gonna add lip gel. I'm gonna use every one of it because a pound is expensive. But this is like without the lighting, like, and this is with lighting. This is soft. Okay. Okay, so I'm nearly done. I'm just gonna put mascara on. So this is just like a regular mascara I've got from Primark. Most of the things I have here are from Primark or Powerland. I'm just being for real. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I'm gonna add serum one more time because I see the girlies do that, so. Okay, so this is the finished look. You know, practice make perfect, you get me? I don't know what it is. Maybe it's not my style. Maybe I need to find a style that suits me. Maybe this is just a bit too much for me. Not me padding in disgrace. Here by me. Be braided by BISILA. If delusional was a person, it's me. Don't worry. Don't you worry about a thing. And I'm fine with glasses on. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed the fails that we've done in this video, but it's fine because we're gonna learn. Anyways, make sure you like, comments, and like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to people so people can see what a great personality I've got in here. Have a good day, stay safe or whatever, and bye. Besitos.